First of all, I want to thank His Excellency the Prime Minister for the reception accorded me and my delegation. And I think, as has already been said, there are a lot of issues that we had discussed. It borders on various issues. For example, we discussed a lot on the issue of the cooperation in terms of fishing, because we share the same marine resources. And as the Honorable Minister of Fisheries of Senegal says, the fish don't know boundaries, so they cross from one boundary to another. And a lot of agreements have been signed, and some issues have been raised during the meeting, and we have concord and resolve ourselves to actually make sure that some of those agreements are implemented. There have been discussions on the in defense, security. For example, the joint patrol. The Honorable Prime Minister has mentioned some of the challenges that we have, particularly in the southern border, our southern border with Senegal, that is the Casamance region. Now, various agreements have been done. Now we are implementing cross-border visits as far as the two armies are concerned, and I think that is very, very positive. We have raised some issues that the Honorable Prime Minister have noted that I think they will take. They have raised the concern of the deforestation of the forest in Casamance, and we have resolved and convinced them that, particularly His Excellency President Adama Barrow has resolved to make sure that, like they said, if there are no buyers, there will be no sellers. So we are making sure that all the agreements are in place to protect the forest cover of Casamance, because protecting the forest cover of Casamance also protects the environment in the Gambia. There have been discussions also in terms of the Millennium Challenge account. Senegal has actually implemented 2 compacts with the American government. Now they are now going into their 3rd compact, which is the regional compact that is going to concentrate on the blue economy. We have been advised by the administrators of the Millennium Challenge Corporation to initiate discussion with the Senegalese government, and I think it's one of the things that we have discussed, so that Gambia can be included in that regional compact. And we are very happy with the response that we have got from His Excellency the Prime Minister and his team. I think, in short, I mean, there are lots of other areas that have been discussed. The area of the issue of the Senegal Government Secretariat. This is an institution that was established. The discussion started since 1967, and the institution actually started operation from 1972. But after some time, there were some weaknesses, because that is an institution that is mandated to make follow-ups on terms of all of these agreements that we signed between the 2 countries. As His Excellency the Prime Minister said, there were some positions that the Senegalese government were supposed to fill, and they have not filled, but they have now committed themselves that after this, in a very short time, some of those vacant positions will be filled, and we make sure that we empower the Secretariat to actually follow up on all the agreements, including those that we have done today. So in short, we want to use this opportunity to thank His Excellency Prime Minister, and by extension, extend our gratitude to His Excellency President Bassirou Diomaye Faye for the reception and the hospitality that is accorded to me and my delegation. Thank you.
Thank you, His Excellency.